How about you put one in? Put one in here.
Oh.
Hello, this is Siba Mtongana, Miss Sibalicious. I am in the TASTETube kitchen with a very, very special guest. And that's my son, Lonwabo.
That's me.
We're going to make an omelette, which I bake. It's really easy to make.
So first we get a fork.
Yes, and
And
then
it's crack.
almost there. Yay! I have some flour and some milk. And to that, I've got some cream as well. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt. So first, we whisk everything together.
Hey, I wanted to.
Do you want to see that? It's fun.
Yeah.
All right, now you're going to hold the whisk. And I'm going to add the mixture. Now whisk it. Pat everything down like that.
You keep on wanting to telling me, but I can do it on my own.
High five. Ta-da! Let us see our beautiful creation.
It's super hot there.
It's super hot. Just be careful. So we're first gonna invert it and then peel it.
Is this yogurt?
Thank you. It's not yogurt, it's cream cheese. And we spread it all around. Spread it all around on the bottom side, on the side that doesn't have a lot of herbs. And then next, I've got some gypsy ham. Very gently roll it. It's not that hard. Gently roll it. Isn't it lovely? Very easy to make. It can be served warm or cold, which is perfect for leftovers and for it to go into lunch boxes.
I made it.
No, you mean we made it.